Hey everyone, this is your girl Pauline at Minecraft Team Hut, trying to put together a couple more concepts. So come on in and join me. If you're new to my channel, I hope you see something that you like and that you'll go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you're one of my subscribers returning, I thank you for your continuous support. This basket here is this is a concept I'm trying to put together with this, I don't know what you call it, some kind of a two-tier round rack. So yeah, so I got this rack from Hobby Lobby. It was on sale for $5.49, and I got two of them. So I'm going to do two concepts. So I put the gold tape, whatever you call this tape right here, put that trimming around the top there. And I think I'm going to put it at the bottom also. Well, no, I don't have enough. I'll have to get some more. Anyways, excuse me. So yeah, y'all. So this is the concept I'm working with. This teddy bear I got from, I believe it was I believe it was Walmart or Family Dollar. It was one or the other. I don't remember exactly where I got this from, but I got that after Valentine's Day. No, it was I think it was Walgreens. Don't quote me on that. I think it was Walgreens. But anyway, so yeah, so I'm using that in this concept. I'm using this here set that I got from Family Dollar last year, right after Mother's Day. And I'm leaving it in the packaging because I like the packaging of it. So it's a mom cup. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's a mom cup. Let's see if I can move some of that glare. That glare is awful. So yeah, and it has a little necklace there. I'm not crazy about the necklace, but I'm going to leave it because it comes with the set. And yeah, so, and I thought I'd place that right here. And I was going to use this rose. And now I'm changing my mind because Teddy is already hugging a rose right there. So let's put that aside for now. I have these caramel toffees that I got from Walgreens right after Valentine's. And I think I'm going to break this up. Yeah. I'm going to put this in half in a container. Hold on, let's see if I have one. I don't have one, but for the sake of the video, oh, my throat is messed up. For the sake of the video, we're going to do that. So, and I have here some Bath and Body Works lotion. And I would like to put in right there, Bath and Body Works body wash. Yeah, let's take that. Oh, I like this one better, the body wash. What do y'all think? I really like that one. And I would also need a loofah. And these loofahs I got from Burlington. They're four in a pack for $3.99. And they're nice and thick. I like them. So I'm going to use one of those with this concept. I should have opened this before I got started. Okay, there we go. Let's see, which one do I want to use? Yes, that one. Okay. So yeah, so that is going to be this concept. Mom's going to have a nice glass that says Mom on it. Going to have a teddy bear. Going to have body wash. Going to have the loofah. And going to have some candy. So still have to take all of these tags off. And I'm thinking that I'm going to secure this with fishing line. Come down through the holes here and just secure that so that it doesn't move. Uh, Teddy, I'm going to do the same thing. Secure Teddy to the bottom with the fishing line. And that is going to be this concept. No need for tread. And I love when I say that word now. But yeah, no need for shred. And that's it. So tell me what you think about this concept. It's nice. It's 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 plain, but it's beautiful. So nothing to distract from the concept. So don't need anything else with this. I think this is it. Oh yeah, one more thing I forgot. I have this spoon that I got off of Amazon. And actually, the first time I saw these spoons being used, it was by at LBE. So she introduced these spoons in one of her concepts, and I fell in love with them. So you know what I did? I went and I got me some. So yeah. So this spoon is will go right. This spoon is gonna sit there just like that. So yeah. So tell me what you think about this concept, y'all. All right. Okay. So I have one more concept that I want to show that I'm working on. Give me just 1 second. So this is my other concept. So what I have here is a teddy bear that I got from. I want to say this one came from Walgreens. Yeah, Walgreens. Don't quote me. Walgreens, yeah. I have my Bodycology. I have the facial mask that I got from Burlington. And again, none of this is secured. I'm just showing the concept. And I have here the body scrub, the Onks, and I have some Dove body wash, roses. And here I have a loofah. I have the Spa beauty cream. I have a prayer card in here. And back here, I have a airport holder. So that is this concept. And I secured everything down with fishing line. So let's go ahead. Yeah, so that is what this concept looks like. Oh, I also have in here to take up some space. I have some bath bombs. And let's see what else. Go ahead and put a little stuffing in here. Get my thread together. There we go. Put some under here. Bring that up a little higher. And I'll secure that with a piece of tape. And yeah, I think this is it, y'all. Going to be this concept. I'm trying not to use a backing on this. So what I did was I tied Teddy's substrate. Yeah. So I tied Teddy's legs down and secured it to the handle there. And that way Teddy won't go anywhere. Hopefully she'll behave herself right there. Cut off any excess fishing cord that I have hanging around. So yeah. So yeah, that is it, y'all. That's it. I have my exfoliating glove just sitting there. Oh, this here is one of those forks, back scratches that I got from Walmart during the clearance event. We'll put that back there. And now this is going to be the last one that I show. And this one will be using the second tier that I got from Hobby Lobby. So this one, like I said, I have two of these. So I want to use this one in the purple or lavender concept. And I know that I have a love there right here. I think that this is the last one of this that I have. Trying to use these to get rid before the end of the year because of the 2026. So I don't know if anyone saw my last concept, one of my concepts that I did, and I removed the heart because it says I want to squeeze you and tight. And mamas like to be squeezed too, but I don't know. I don't know, y'all. What do you think? Should I leave it on this one? What do you think? I really like the heart there. I might leave it because mama's his squeeze the mama might be a young little kid that get this for the mama. I want to just go ahead and give mama a squeeze and say thank you for all you do. So I'm going to leave that on there. Yeah, I'm going to leave that on there. Or it might be someone getting it. Yeah, I'm going to leave it because it might be someone getting it for their significant other and just telling them, I want to squeeze you because, you're a significant mother. You're fantastic. Yeah, I'm going to leave it. So this one uh, right here, I'm going to use with, this is another one of those that I got last year. This one is the mug and the headband set. And again, I got it from Burlington right after Mother's Day. So yeah, so I like that right there. I think I'm going to use